So that brings me to my next question, because data science is a field in which you have to learn a programming language. So which programming language is the one that you would recommend a fresher should know because it is the most in demand?
Right. So again, these things keep on changing, but I think Python is here to stay. Couple of reasons for that. When I started out, most of the financial services and insurance companies had started analytics. I think insurance companies are pioneers. So when they started into analytics, I think SAS as a programming language, which had SQL at its backend, was one of the most popular ones because they were providing security, they were providing data storage, they were providing all practical aspects that you required for an analytics project. So at that point of time, SAS was quite famous. But I think now people have started slowly converting themselves and their scripts to Python because Python is free, and who doesn't like a free lunch? So uh, Python is free. It's quite flexible. It's very, very easy as well. So I think Python. And look, I mean, whenever someone asks me what programming language should we learn, yes, Python is important, and but you will learn Python pretty quickly. It's about starting to apply, and that's where you will start realizing that even before the data goes into Python, there are tons of things that you have to do to that data, and you have to massage it to bring it to a level where Python can do something about it. So that is probably a bigger aspect that you need to focus on. Python you can learn. It's a 3 month thing. I think you will be able to learn it quickly. Half of it is almost English, so it's fine.
All right, okay. I guess the ones who are planning to start off something in this field, this is definitely going to help them.